dial an incorrect number. Please check the number and try again. Thank you for using Smart. 您拨打的